Good evening. Today is October 9, 2023. So, online recorded lang sa ata since lahi ng panahon. Okay. So, we'll discuss on the on the topic storage devices and media, which is the week 8 na sa to ang klase. Okay, so share ko og screen. Okay, so um we are on module 3, week 8. So the topic is storage devices and media. So first lesson would be the backing storage media. So this is more on the devices na magamit or ginagamit for storage of data. Okay, so our learning outcomes: identify the following input device and discuss the following output devices. And um, to introduce, computer backup is designed to protect all of the computer important files and pictures, even the ones you save to an external hard drive. And there are many ways to lose computer files, but they all end the same way, with the horrible feelings you get when you realize an important file is gone. So it would be great if you never had to go through that. So sa pag-backup of file, when we say backup, this is part of storing your file to a specific location of your computer. So by the use of storage devices. So sa akong part, it happened many times nang nag-corrupt ang ako ang storage device. Nawala akong tanang files. So the essence of computer backup is to save your how to secure your files in our computer systems, and asa na to siya pwede i-save. Okay, and pamaagi ko sa pag-save. Okay? So we'll go to the abstraction ulit. So the term backing storage refer to um refer to any non-volatile data storage that will retain a computer's data even after the computer is powered off. So usually sa RAM, sa memory, once nga mapalong ang computer, basically mawala ang tanan nga imong gipang type, imong last nga gi-open sa imong screen. So to secure those files nga even ma-power off nimo imong computer, so kinahanglan to siya i-store to specific location. So that's part of backing storage. Okay? So common types of backing storage devices are hard drives, SSD. Um, Hard drives and SSD are both internal storage devices. External hard drive, these or katong mga external drive nga murag USB ang gamit. Optical media such as the CD, DVD, and flash media such as thumb drives and memory sticks. Okay, or katong mga also known as flash disk na to or kanang flash drives. Older computer nga ginagamit na pa sila yung mga floppy disks or magnetic tapes katong karaan ng mga storage. On modern system sa karon, especially computers like netbook, cloud storage services may also be used for backing storage. When we say cloud storage, katong dili siya sa atong computer inside, kundi na sa cloud or na sa internet. So we also have example anis kanang natin mga Google Drives, OneNote, o um, other devices, other websites nga pwede nato ma-store ang ato ang mga files. So a backup or data backup is a copy of computer data taken and stored elsewhere so that it may be used to restore the original after a data loss event. So a backup system contains at least one copy of all data considered worth saving. So the data storage requirements can be large. So once nga mag-corrupt ang mong computer, so napakay lain nga storage, naka-storage device which is dito po nakasave ang imong mga files. Okay? So here are some common types of storage media. So first is magnetic tape. So for so long time, the most commonly used medium for data storage or backup or archiving and interchange. So it was previously a less expensive option, but this is no longer the case for smaller amounts of data. So sa magnetic tape, katon silang mga floppy drive, katong mga daan ng mga storage. So basically medyo obsolete na siya karon. Other is hard disk storage. Increase over time as it becomes progressively cheaper. So hard disks are usually easy to use, widely available, and can be accessed quickly. However, hard disk backup are close tolerance mechanical devices and may be more easily damaged than tapes, specifically or especially while being transported. So, sa hard disk, ang atong computer, pag dili na to siya ma-proper shutdown, so mag-corrupt siya, um, ma mawala iyahang kuan kanang iyahang mga system files. Pag hindi niya ma-locate ang mga system files nato, that's the time na hindi siya ma-open and mag-corrupt ang imong hard disk and basically ang imong mga files ito is mawala sa tanan. Okay? So, mas dali, mas kuan ang mas paspas ang hard disk pero kuan siya mas dali lang gid po siya madaot man siya kuan. Kanang SSD hard disk yun sila nga 10 times or 20 times faster or 10 times faster than the normal hard disk. That's true. Mas fast pa siya. Pero mas dali lang po siya madaot once nga dili na to ma-proper shutdown ng atong mga computer. So careful mo na daghan na hog kailangan nga daot ang ilahang nangawala ilang files. It's because kanang dapat nang good close tolerance mechanical devices are kuan kanang dapat i-secure nimo siya, i-properly handled nimo siya um, through properly shutting down your computers. Another is optical storage. Uses laser to store and retrieve data. So, katong when we say optical storage, kini siyang mga CD and DVDs. Okay? It comes with different sizes, different capacity. Okay? So, si CD, naroon na siya yung mga 700 MB yata. Si DVD, na siya sa mga 4.7, I think, gig. Si Blu-ray is na siya yung mga 9 gig. Pero dili tanang computers is capable for writing the files or the data into the CD or DVDs. Okay? So, generally, mas barato siya. Pero again, not all DVD player nimo is makarite. Okay? Another is this solid state drives or SSDs use integrated circuits and assemblies to store data. So a solid state drive does not contain any movable parts. So unlike sa hard disk, si hard disk mangod is nasa murag disk sa sulod na pag mag-on yung computer magtuyok na siya permanente. Si SSD o solid state drive is circuit na lang siya, wala siya moving parts. So mo na siya nga kung namoy laptop then nag-under siya, never gyud siya ibundak-bundak or matarog og dagko kay nga tarog ang hard disk kay once ka muuntol tong disk sa sulod magaskas to sa end, that's the time na magkurap yung hard disk, isa pa na sa inungdan. But si SSD is circuits na lang siya, circuits, and wala na yung movable parts, making it less susceptible to physical damage and can have huge throughput of around 500 megabit up to 6 gigabit per second. So, mas paspas siya. But again, since circuit man siya, integrated circuit. So na ay mga kuryente pod nga nagakuan siya, nagadaloy siya. So basically kung dili mo proper shutdown imong kuan, imong computer malaot lang po to siya. So sa subset ganiya. So careful po tani mga storage. A thumb or USB drive has a lot of same benefits and weaknesses as an external hard drive, and it's relatively easy to drag and drop files or folders for safekeeping. So because of their extremely portability, they're even easier to connect to the computer. So kini siyang thumb or USB drive or mas mailhan na to nga kanang flash drive. Portable siya, madala-dala na to, and it comes with different sizes, different capacities pod. But again, careful po ta sa paggamit kay muna siya pinaka number one cause of transferring viruses to one computer to another. Kay dali lang siya masudlan and um, easy to connect. At the same time, dali lang po siya madaot in the sense nga di nimo siya i-safety remove ang imong imong flash drives. So almost the same sila mechanism ni SSD ang USB drive or flash drive. So to continue, why is backing storage need? Nganong need man gyud kayo? So without some type of backing storage, the computer would not have access to its data after the computer is turned off. So kung mapalong siya, kung sa tuwing magipang buhat, mawala lang po to siya, mura wala. So after volatile memory like RAM loses all information if the computer is turned off or rebooted. Kung ma-restart, di ba, mawala ang imong tanan nga gipang open. To prevent information you have been working on from being lost, it is saved to a backing storage device like hard drive. So, i-save mo siya sa hard drive or lahi pa nga mga devices nga for storage. Data backup includes several important concepts. So, the first is, amo siyang mga concept kung anong need na to mag-store or mag-backup of data. So first is backup solutions and tools. So while it is possible to back up data manually, to ensure systems are backed up regularly and consistently, most organizations use a technology solution to back up their data. Sa mga companies, mga dago nga mga companies, automatically na sila yung mga backup nga. Kung sa itong nakasave dito, i-copy nila or i-clone nila to another devices or another storage device para if ever ang ilahang computer or ilahang mechanism nga gigamit to mag-corrupt or mag-down, napasilain nga kakuan. So backup solution, this is it could be a program or a technology solution from the companies. The second is backup administrator. So every organization should designate an employee responsible for backups. That employee should ensure backup systems are set up correctly, test them periodically, and ensure that critical data is actually backup. So na isa ka tao, sa empleyado nga, ang iyang trabaho is mag-save lang, mag-copy og files which is katong mga importante nga files. So this is more on backup administrator. So if ever nga na yung mga importante nga files, automatic nga iyang i-back up to manually, copy paste mga ginana lang to specific storage devices. Backup scope and schedule. An organization must decide on a backup policy specifying which files and systems are important enough to be backed up and how frequently data should be backed up. Okay? So backup scope and schedule. Kani siya is specific time and asa pod siyang unsa nga scope ang iyang ginagamit or asa lang tama na yung i-backup. So dili tanan but depende pod sa pag-schedule. For example, every 7 to 8 p.m. mag-backup og files ana. So every every 2 hours mo backup siya or mo store siya files and system, important files. So that's part of backup. scope, and schedule. Another is a recovery point objective, or RPO, is the amount of data an organization is willing to lose if a disaster occurs, and is determined by the frequency of backup. So if systems are back up once a day, the recovery point objective is 24 hours. The lower the RPO, the more data storage, compute, and network resources are required to achieve frequent backup. So, usually, inani ang ginagamit sa kanang CCTV, recovery point objective. So, after specific time, iyara po itong i-overwrite ang iyang mga na-record ng mga video. For example, there is atong example, 24 hours. After 24 hours, iyan na po itong i-overwrite ang mga file nga iyang na save dito. So that's part of recovery point objectives. If ever nga mag-down ang isa ka system, example, alas mga 8, 12 noon siya nag-down, pagka previous nga kuan ato, ma-recover nimo tong uban nga mga files which is na backup siya previous nga mga hours. Okay? So, just like CCTVs, na specific lang nga day, specific lang nga recovery point ang ihang kaya niya nga i-replay. Okay? Another is recovery time objective. So, RTO is the time it takes for an organization to restore data or systems from backup and resume normal operation. So, for large data volumes and backup stored off premises, copying data and restoring system can take time, and robust technical solutions are needed to ensure. So, kini siya is recovery time objective. Um, mag-stop ang operation para lang sana i-save or i-restore ang data, which is kanang tagani kanang gusto nimo siya i-retrieve nga settings sa atong computer natin ginatawag nga restoration specific date. For example, magkuan ko karon October 9, mag-set ko og restoration time karon. Let's say after 10 days na-doubt akong computer, pwede na ko balikon ang kuan katong October 9 nga settings nako through this recovery time objective. So set lang nako siya, and then mo restore na siya to the settings and files nga nasa ko October 9, murag something inana. So restoration tawagan na. So mo to siya ang ato ang kuan ang backup. So short kuan lang, recap lang, when say backup is data backup, copying of computer data taken from the original source to elsewhere para it could be kuan ka ng as backup, or not what we call this, another copy of your important files kumbaga. So natay mga storage media nga gamit, we have the magnetic tape, hard disk, optical storage, SSD or solid state drives, and USB or flash drives. Okay? And again, these are electronic devices nga dili pud nato kukumpiyansahan kaayo ha. So, kung ako'y papilion, ang pinaka-important or pinaka-safe nga storage device is kining cloud storage, or kung natay Google Drive kana siya, safe siya. Pero again, based on subscription pod, kay the more nga daghan ka og taas ka og capacity nga require sa mo, the more pod nga mo bayad ka og mahal para mas mataas ang imong storage capacity. Okay. And at the same time, internet-based siya. So, kung waka-internet, di po mo ma-access yung mong files. Pero, again, safety siya. Ay, kay cloud lang man. We need to back up the data para magamit na to atong mga data if ever nga to siyang i-turn off ang atong mga computers. So, sa pag-backup, it includes several important concepts like backup solutions, backup administrators, or katong tao nga naga-backup or naga-perform sa backing up, the backup scope and schedule, and the recovery point objective and recovery time objective for RTO and RPO. Okay, so um, kana lang sa for this evening and next meeting ko ano po lang lesson end. Ay, dali na hapit ko makalimot for a while ha. For your activity po di ay activity na to sa kuan kini nga lesson. Answer this kuan na lang these questions sa application part. Send lang nako ang module sa inyo ha, sa group chat. So give at least one storage media that you always use sa imo ha as a student. And how frequently do you use the storage media? How does storage media help you in the studies? And the importance of storage media that you mentioned sa number 1. Okay, so kana lang and um, ibutang yapon dyan sa kuan sa bond paper katong continuation sa inyong portfolio which is katong sa folder. Okay? So kung may mga questions, um, kung may mga questions, so man, feel free to chat sa group chat and then or comment ka sa kanan video. Okay, so kung ano yung mga questions, ako na yung mga questions. So kana lang sa for this evening and um, let's meet up again online by Wednesday or update lang po ko. So kana lang and see you next time. Goodbye. Good night.